Hi, welcome to forexbeast.com. In this video, I would like to show you a forex indicator called accumulation swing index. This was introduced by Wales Wilder, and this is an oscillator indicator, and it closely resembles the actual prices. This is not a default indicator, so you can't find it in MetaTrader. If you want to have it, like you need to download it from the MQL4 site. If you see this picture, like this is a accumulation swing index indicator. If you check this, it closely resembles the price movements on the chart. So how to trade using this accumulation swing index? Accumulation swing index is used to confirm the trend line breakout. Normally you use the accumulation swing index to draw trend lines and see if the trend line is really broken or not. That means normally you have to draw the trend lines both on the price chart and also on the indicator. And if the trend line is broken on the price chart, you have to confirm it with the accumulation swing index trend line breakout. If the accumulation swing index trend line is also broken, then that is a real breakout. So the first thing is draw a trend line on the price chart, draw a similar trend line on the accumulation swing index oscillator chart. If you see this picture, see these two are the trend lines. So a similar trend lines are drawn on the indicator also. Now, if the trend line on the price chart is broken by a strong candlestick, but the trend line on the oscillator chart is not broken, then that is not a real breakout. That means the trend line, see, if this is broken here and this is also broken here, but if it is not broken on the indicator chart, then that is not a real breakout. Only when the trend line is broken on both the price chart and also on the indicator, then that is a real breakout and you can enter the trade accordingly. If you see this figure, you can see two trend lines. One is this one where the trend line is broken in the upward direction, and also on the indicator also the trend line is broken. So this is a real breakout and you can enter a long trade here. And here the trend line is broken in the downward direction, and also on the accumulation swing index also the trend line is broken. So that is a real breakout and you can enter a short entry at this point. So this is all about this indicator, accumulation swing index. If you want to know more about other indicators also, you can visit my site forexbeast.com. Thank you.